More news coming in this morning. Karnataka government's bizarre pothole defense. DK as the Deputy Chief Minister DK Shiv Kumar tells jittery IT giants potholes are everywhere. Even road to Prime Minister's house has potholes. Amid rising pothole deaths, Siddaramaiah Sarkar's diversion bid is what it appears.
ಗುಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಳೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಮುಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ 200 ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ 1000 ಅಷ್ಟು ಗುಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಚುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೆಷ್ಟು ಗುಡ್ಡಿಗಳಿದೆ, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮನೆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ IT ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬರೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಕಾಲದಿಂದನೂ ಮೊದಲು ರೋಡ್ಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು? ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇರಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ.
I'm going to go straight across to Nagarjun Dwarkanath for more details in that story this morning. This comes after BlackBuck CEO's exit move, really. The government saying, that these are problems that will be there in every city. That is DK Shiv Kumar essentially trying to dissuade the company also from packing their bag and baggage and leaving, isn't it?
In fact, that's true. DK Shiv Kumar gave a defense that he was in Delhi just 24 hours behind, and he told the media that look, the potholes in front of the Prime Minister's residence, and this potholes menace is not in Karnataka but across India. But media is highlighting only Karnataka. He tells the IT companies that this is a systemic failure and we are doing our duty and we are closing every day thousands of potholes in Bangalore. But this problem menace is not just pertaining to Bangalore city, it's across India, and this is a systematic failure. And now BJP is targeting Congress. If they had done good jobs, the roads would not have been this way, is what DK Shiv Kumar attacking the BJP for not having good roads 2 years back, and then also telling the IT companies that the situation is similar across the country.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Nagarjun Dwarkanath getting in those details. A month deadline is what first the government gave, and now it is saying that there are potholes pretty much everywhere, so no reason really for companies like BlackBuck to leave Bengaluru, is what DK Shiv Kumar has now said.